Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto creamy. Achieving a smooth, luxurious pesto starts with selecting the right ingredients. Fresh basil is essential, providing vibrant color and a delicate aroma. High-quality extra virgin olive oil contributes significantly to the desired creamy consistency and rich flavor. Don't forget to lightly toast your pine nuts. This simple step deepens their nutty notes, adding another layer of complexity to your delicious pesto. To truly elevate your pesto's creaminess, consider a few key additions. A small amount of water, or even better, reserved pasta water, helps emulsify the sauce, creating a smoother texture. Grated Parmesan cheese is crucial, not just for its savory depth, but also for its ability to melt into the sauce, enhancing its richness. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can brighten all the flavors, preventing the pesto from tasting too heavy. The blending process is vital for achieving that perfect creamy pesto. Start by adding your basil, nuts, garlic, and cheese to a food processor or blender. Begin blending, then slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil through the feed tube while the machine is running. This gradual addition helps create a stable emulsion. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl frequently to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly incorporated and smooth. Once your pesto reaches the desired creamy consistency, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, a little goes a long way. For storage, transfer any leftover pesto to an airtight container and pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top to prevent oxidation, keeping it vibrant for days. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to stay hydrated, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.